IDEA CM8800 Plus is a 10 inches tablet that is believed to have so many features, according to what is written on it. It comes with 8 GB RAM and 512 GB ROM, dual 5-gram SIM network, Android 13, 10,000 mAh, battery and pre-installed with lots of application. Well, personally, I think the accessories that come with it has given a value for the money. We'll go into the function of the tablet deeper in a coming video. For the accessories, it comes with a Bluetooth speaker, key holder, 6,000 mAh digital power bank, touch pen, Bluetooth mouse, charger, earpod, watch, keyboard, and leather pouch. The tablet can be used by both kids and adults depending on the degree of usage. Let me know what you think about this tablet in the comment section. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.